If I had to describe Namely, I would say innovative,
user-friendly,
tech-savvy,
incredibly supportive,
personable,
I would say it's friendly
and very effective. Namely is kind of our one-stop shop.
We had payroll in one location. We had our benefits in another location. Namely allowed us to bring everything under one umbrella.
A huge advantage to us is just how simplified the process has become.
Everything in one location really allows the full bird's eye view of what's going on.
The product itself has revolutionized how we've done HR.
When I was first looking at HRIS platforms, Namely had a lot of the great features that I was looking for.
Namely's benefit technology and payroll technologies work seamlessly together.
We just came out of open enrollment and it was effortless.
It's very easy to use and self-sufficient, and it's a really great employee experience.
It's simplified performance management. Our team share their milestones, share where they want to grow.
I love the social aspect of it. Employees get on their feed. We use it for appreciations.
It's really easy for me to jump into Namely Analytics and have the information I need in one place.
Support staff at Namely has always been really wonderful.
Namely provides us not only services, but a two-way relationship.
My favorite aspect of Namely is my support team. I know I can count on them 100%.
Namely saves me maybe 20 hours a week. It allows me to be more focused on strategic, big picture goals for our organization.
Namely has allowed me to be strategic as an HR leader.
The biggest ROI that I've seen since implementing Namely is being able to scale our department.
We have experienced high growth, and it's really important to me that I do have a partner that is thinking about our growth as well.
I don't think anyone else can stack up to Namely.
Namely is a company that I truly believe is looking to change HR.
If you want to revitalize the way you do HR, Namely is the best product for you.